Let me just say, welcome to a cleaning video. No introduction whatsoever. I'm actually using the blow dryer to defrost my ice maker. To come to find out that there is a class action lawsuit on Samsung refrigerators because the ice maker does not work, and it was very interesting. So yeah, we're cleaning out the refrigerator and organizing the cabinets. As I start to pull things out of the refrigerator, don't ask me what I was saying. It doesn't matter. Like, you can't hear it, but the Polynesian sauce was delicious. I don't like caramel, but this yum yum sauce, there was 5 bottles open in the refrigerator. The tonkatsu sauce is absolutely good with pork chops. I'll have to make that one time. Some of the things were expired. Some of the things needed to go. This refrigerator needed to really be cleaned out. I don't even know why I have that vanilla because I have my own homemade. But anyway, see, we love some Polynesian sauce. This Smithfield chicken and barbecue sauce is really, really good on regular chicken, just fried chicken at home or any chicken. It's really, really good. In there, they got a brick of ice in here. Both my children, my middle child doesn't, but my oldest and my son both have chickens and they lay eggs, but I'm an idiot because I can't seem to eat the eggs from the chickens that lay fresh eggs. People would love to have fresh eggs. Me? No, thank you. And don't you like how Caitlin just comes in and shoves me out of the way? He's like, move, I got this. She just wanted to help. Getting this very bottom rack out, I actually had to go on YouTube and research how to get it out because I have forgotten. That's how long it's been since I've taken it out. But we finally got it. It took forever, but we did finally get it. As you can see, we finally got it out. It took forever, but it wasn't too terribly bad in there. It's a lot better than what I thought it was going to be, but it was out. Now we're on to this part. Not really bad. I have a whole bag of carrots. 5 pounds. I don't know what to do with the John Brown thing. We got some Bucky's yogurt, raisins, bologna. I love me a fried bologna sandwich. 2 carrots. Cucumbers. And then a mess in here. Oh wow, that just broke. Okay. Pause just for a minute. I broke the little metal divider that was in here, but it's okay. I'm going to take this out and clean it. It's disgusting. And then, look at all of that disgustingness. Blech. I got to clean that. I cleaned what I could reach. But as you see back there, the brown stain way back there, I can't reach it. And there's no way to get to it. Here's inside the Frigidaire. I had to buy more filters. I ran out. But there you go.
Now it says it's 66 degrees in there. It's been fussing at us, and it's telling me I need a filter. So I got to go to Amazon and order a filter. And now to put this drawer back in there.
It goes that way.
Front.
We should make some carrot juice before those carrots go bad.
Oh, George. What did I do wrong? Alright.
Leave them out. Leave them out.
I'm going to make carrot juice, I think.
I know, leave them out. We can make carrot and cucumber juice.
What a day, I tell you. It was a mess. I should have just stayed in the bathtub and stayed in my night clothes instead of deciding to clean out the refrigerator. I mean, now it's 4:30 in the afternoon. I have to decide what we're going to do about dinner. So, and Caitlin's pulling out the juicer. You guys see her? I guess we're going to make carrot juice. Do y'all want
Carrot and cucumber.
carrot and cucumber? Do y'all want to watch?
Yes.
You do? She said you do.
Just wait, guys. She gets into it. She sticks a knife in there, and then she tries to stick her hand in there. I mean, she's seriously crazy. I don't know where she gets it from at all.
See, now she should have done the carrot juice.
Y'all would have
first.
rather seen me clean out the deep freezer because it's a mess as well. Oh, don't forget we got the milk in the freezer. I started rearranging before I started recording. But all these dishes here, I want to get them out of this. You see where we even added more shelves. Get rid of this and put everything over here. And I hope it fits. I need to take that tape up. But put everything in here as far as what's in here. Now here's the catch. Here's all the lids. So I'm going to try to put lids with the bowls, lids with the containers, and then get rid of this mess so I have more room down here. For what? I have no clue. Anyway, maybe this inspires you to clean out your refrigerator, to clean out your pantry, do a little organization. This is something that needs to be done, and I really don't want to do it, but I'm going to do it. So I'll show you the aftermath. I do like the glass over the plastic because this is what happens inside the plastic, and I can't stand that. But the glass, I may have thrown all of them away. Sometimes they will chip, like around these edges where the lids lock. This is the correct lid that goes on here because it won't snap. That's another thing. Getting the lid to snap on there is a piece of work. see. Any suggestions for that? Haha, got it. Cabinet is cleaned out. My daughter is coming to get it because she wants it. Now, here is all of this. So now that we got all these here, I have a lid to this. I'm not sure if I got, these are for like to put yogurt, and I like to do it, put yogurt in, put like granola on top, and then stick it in and then screw the cap on. I'm supposed to have 4 or 5 of these. Well, here's one that's missing. So as of now, I have 3. We're missing a lid. It could be down here in the party. It could be in the lid party. You guys see? I found the lid that goes to this. So that's done. I don't know where I'm going to put them for now. Maybe over here. These are cute if you have kids and you want to do Lunchables. These are really, really, besides paying for the Lunchables, you can make your own Lunchables out of these. I seen these on another YouTuber's channel, and I went on Amazon and got them. I really like them. Not sure if you would or not. You could try and see. These are good for salad dressings, to put your salad dressing in. I'm just going to throw all the lids up here, y'all. Just bear with me. That's not including the box on the floor. Oh boy.
I was saying on these Pyrex, they work really good until they start to crack. But other than that, I love them.
Oh, what to put under here? Maybe the baking dishes? That would be a good place for them. Maybe not. I don't know. Trash bags. That's what I could put under there. Because right now, I have all this under my sink. Not that you can really tell, but that's what I can put under there. Thank you guys for that idea. But to clean this up. So this is what I'm talking about. These I had got from Bed Bath & Beyond, and I think these are the lids that go on them. But the glass is cracked. This is what's left. These I'm gonna give to my kids if they want. These I'm gonna give to my kids if they want them. If they don't, I'm gonna throw them in the trash. I'm throwing all this in the trash. I don't even know if I have the Ninja to this anymore, or to this one. I guess I'll keep those just for good measures. But yeah, I think I did pretty good. I don't know where the rest of it is. Probably at somebody's house. But this, I put, whoops, after I tear up the window, I put everything in here. I put these are the main ones that I use. Those back there, I don't use that much. I know, why keep it if you don't use it? But it's somewhat organized. Looks much better. And then I just took the plastic Tupperware that that very rarely gets used. I threw it all in there. That way when my kids come, they can have it. And then I had some extra lids. I don't know where the bowls are. I don't know if one of my kids have them, if my mama has them. I don't know where they're at. So if they don't show up, then oh well. I'll eventually dispose of them, or when we do another clean out 3 years from now, it'll be there. So I hope you guys enjoyed this cleaning video. Don't forget to click on the links below and give the other ladies a shout out. This was in collaboration with a few other of my fellow YouTubers. Anyway, I hope you enjoy it. I hope you enjoy theirs. They're awesome. I enjoy watching their videos. Go check them out. Thanks again for watching. And if you would like to, subscribe. Normally I say put a little yummy in tummy and a smile in your heart, but neither one of these put anything in my heart. Maybe if I make something to eat, then I can put some yummy in my heart. But right now, it needed to be done. And this cabinet right here has got to go. So I'm going to rearrange some more furniture. But it was a joy having you guys here with me today. I hope this gives you the inspiration to do a little bit of cleaning, even if you don't want to do it, because I sure didn't. Thanks, guys. Bye.